West Yorkshire. West Yorkshire. Huddersfield, yeah.
I just something that people will enjoy, something different on YouTube, I hope. And if you like to see more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe. Do you know what I want to say?
So yeah, go do the thing that I said go do. Okay, bye. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lolo and welcome to Dreamy Creamy Creations. You know what this channel is basically going to be about, and what it's going to involve are different cupcake tutorials, cookie tutorials, and different sweet treats. You know that everyone loves a sweet treat. Like, don't get it twisted, everyone loves a sweet treat. So yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how basically I'm gonna be teaching you guys my tips and different recipes that I've learned and different recipes that I have created for you guys. I'm gonna be sharing that with you, and you won't just be seeing my face in the videos. I'm gonna bring people along to the channel to make it a bit fun and give them challenges, and it'll be quite funny. Like, the things I'm thinking about, yeah, it's gonna be lit. Like, it's gonna be really good, and I hope it's something that people will enjoy as well. Like, not only just learning something, but at the same time enjoying something that you're watching. Yeah, that makes sense, right? Yeah. So yeah, these are some of the cupcakes that I created today. Yeah, I run a cupcake business as well. I forgot to mention the Dreamy Creamy. That's what the company's called. It first started off as cupcakes. It's still mainly a cupcake thing, but I've started creating cookies as well, like cookies that I can add as toppers on the cupcakes, but also sell them separately, and macaroons as well. So these cookies that I created today are Bailey's chocolate chip cookies with white chocolate chips. Like, you guys may be thinking, but they taste good. Like, Bailey's is nice anyways on its own, and like with chocolate it's lit. And so these cookies, it's like a bit of a sweet taste, you get a little bit kick. Like, some people might be able to taste it, but I was able to taste it. So it was something, like, I just tried it today and it actually turned out really well. So I also created a cupcake with them and added them as toppers, and these are really nice as well. So yeah, I'll be teaching you guys different things, and if it's something that you guys are going to enjoy, and if you're looking forward to it, please like, comment, and subscribe. I've been wanting to say that for so long. Like, so I always wanted to start YouTube, but then I never really had something different. And I thought, when I started the business, I was like, I could start a channel, you know, like something different. It will also hopefully build my brand, and you know, there's another way to spread the word about my business. But yeah, I'm gonna make these videos fun as possible. So yeah, see you guys in my next video, which will probably be out in a few days or so. But yeah, welcome to Dreamy Creamy Creations, and hope to see you guys next time.